because
Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up?
you're like
Dia mentan na. Kalang kot no Tam da sumang. Ta sa sisin nga live yang. Kata kalong ban pasko siya piya kani ka jingruay. Nabar mata ka singin dan kam ya kani ka jingruay. Kaban long ka dedication kerpangay nam ta jong pilang baro kipay nang saksnong jong bhabriew nyo trap. Berkacela may halia. Nakabenta ka jingno senyang na jongi. Nakabenta ka ni ka election. General election arajara pulay. No. Don't give a job, don't give a rem, nginum do jingkerman. Namarka day kari. Berkacela hakmatam. Unang nikmat. Oh, kena. Sa kwero kani kalong kajurway, kung ka jingkerman nakabenta baro kisamlag bala to exam taxi SSLC mo ka English. Don't worry, everything is all right. English is a funny language. Now, perkre nakabenta ka sayan, nang ta sa social, nang ta sa maths, nang ta sa health, nang ta sa
history,
additional English. Okay, tementa nginya dabaw no da ka jingruan jingkerman. Big shout out to Banshan, to Lily, and to Nat. Let's hit it! DJ in the house! Let's go!
who wants to join in?
Sila semua milik aku dah koi pun Ingat noi
Let's go! Woo! Woo! Shimon! Mitela, thank you so much. Thank you, Megalia, for making the choice. And now, let's look forward for the next 5 years. But in the meantime, wishing all the students the very best. May God be with you. Don't lose hope if English has gone a little bad.
Well,
Yeah, because English is bad. I mean, bad English.
English is not our first language.
And so all the very best for the rest of the papers.
Ma,
God bless.
all the best. You can
Woo.
do it.
Make
Make yourself proud.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye! Stay tuned to Mirchi. Cause it's hot!